আপনার অথবা আপনার সঙ্গীর নাক ডাকা নিয়ে বিরক্ত? এক নিমেষেই সমাধান করে দিতে পারে এই নতুন ডিভাইস অ্যান্টি স্নোরিং। এই অ্যান্টি স্নোরিং ডিভাইসটি আপনার নাসারন্ধ্রের ভিতরের প্যাসেজগুলোতে আরও বেশি বায়ু প্রবাহিত হতে সাহায্য করে, ফলে নাক ডাকা বন্ধ হয়ে যায়। স্লিপিং অ্যাপনিয়া দূরীভূত করে। এই অ্যান্টি স্নোরিং নাকের পলিপাস সংক্রান্ত সমস্যার সমাধান করে। এটি ব্যবহারে আস্তে আস্তে নাক ডাকার সমস্যা সমাধান হতে থাকে। হালকা ও ব্যবহার করা খুবই সহজ।
The 2-in-1 anti-snoring and air purifier, aka the slappily titled Silicone Anti-Snore Nasal Dilators Apnea Aid Device Stop Snoring Nose Clip. This is a product that has been generating a fair amount of attention due to its similarity to the AirRing, a micro CPAP device that attracted nearly $2 million worth of backing on Indiegogo. It's time to stop sleepless nights and dysfunctional days, claims the box, something the vast majority of us, I'm sure, would like. The leaflet promises it's easy to wear, it's soft and comfortable, and gives back to you a good night's sleep. But worryingly, it also infers this is suitable for sleep apnea sufferers and in some way delivers continuous positive airway pressure. It isn't, and it does not. This is definitely not a replacement for a CPAP machine or a treatment for obstructive sleep apnea. When fitted, it initially feels slightly loose in the nostrils, but it does stay in place and feels less bulky and intrusive than you'd perceive. However, almost immediately it becomes apparent that it's much harder to breathe through your nose. It actually takes a concerted effort to keep your mouth closed. It certainly does not deliver on the promise of makes breathing easier. If you can conquer nasal breathing, as a nasal dilator, it can just about have a positive effect on snoring, but it's negligible and much better products exist for this purpose. This is not a product we would recommend and is clearly one we would suggest you avoid. To find the cause of your snoring and which product would be appropriate for you, visit our website britishsnoring.co.uk and take the interactive snore tests, the online tool used by over 400,000 snorers on their journey to finding the right anti-snoring product